games too, so
That's fantastic.
yeah. Probably nothing you'd like though.
What a beautiful morning, isn't it?
Fuck yeah, beautiful one.
9:30.
I wish we were sleeping.
Oh, I wish we were sleeping too, don't you worry. I wish I was. Where's Ryan McVeigh? He should be coming out by now.
Are you videotaping that?
Yes.
Okay. Little documentary. Yeah, man, freaking. Yeah, I got plenty of 360 games, but they're not your style at all. It's all like action adventure and all that shit.
I'm a sports guy.
Yeah, I'm not even close. Remotely close to sports.
Mohawk northeast bound.
What the fuck, man?
Let's go find Ryan McVeigh. He's probably getting high like he always does. Snorting cocaine.
Oh, doesn't do that. Oh, you videotape that, didn't you?
Yes.
We did, but we just didn't see you, so we're like, fuck it. Oh, try that again. You're not gonna bring that beer in. Oh. You are. Why?